Jatend piny William Ruto kwayo mbalariany ma pacho ka mondo los tudruok kod sekta mag ji giwegi mar medo thuolo mar yudo omenda mag tayo chenrogi. Ruto ne wuoyo nyasi mar sidho simbo ne jopuonjre mag mbalariany ma Masinde Muliro University of Science and Technology e kaunti ma Kakamega. Kamano bende osingo ne piny owacho biro dhi nyime kod siro mbalariany ma pacho ka maneno ni tijegi otimore e yo makare.
Economic transformation of our country
and to actualize all the skills and competencies.
A commitment to strategic collaboration with partners in the private, public, and international sectors informed by robust philosophical underpinnings can empower the university to steward the blossoming of ideas, visions, and aspirations into enhancing innovation, technologies, and enterprise. It is through such partnerships that the university can begin to supplement its funding by producing commercially exploitable research, innovations, and other entities that can be transformed into large, transformative enterprises and impactful, high-quality consultancies. In the final analysis, this application of the university's natural advantages will contribute to socio-economic development of this region, of our country, and globally. Additionally, private-public partnerships can help address persistent challenges by increasing capacity in student accommodation and enhancing the quality of other services to international